everyone. There was a problem with the scooter. The signal does not work. I already checked the button. It is normal. I tested all the contacts there. With wiring, too, everything is fine. It is not damaged. The problem was with the signal itself. Needs to be changed. I already bought a new one. It is easy to change. Unscrew the screws securing it and install a new signal. Go. We connect the signal contacts. The signal is set. We check the work of the beep. Start the scooter. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes, subscribe to the channel. All the best, goodbye.